Not long ago, I brought you how to prepare this stew, and I know you loved it. We paired this with a lot of delicious things, and in today's video, that is what I'm coming to share with you. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena, and welcome to my kitchen. Please do not make it the last time of visiting. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always watching my videos. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started with today's activity. I have washed my beans very well, removed all the spot one from it, and then after that it is on fire. I've added some water. I'll just go ahead and add my baking soda. So this is going to be like wache, but we don't want to add a lot of beans to this because of my husband. Okay, so now it has been on fire for some few minutes, and this is how it looks. We are going to make sure we boil it 100%. Okay, and with this recipe, as I said earlier, the rice is going to be plentier than the beans because of gas issue. Okay, yes, if you want the beans to boil very faster, you add the baking soda. On the other hand, I have my eggs here, and I know you will ask me, why am I boiling another eggs? I will explain to you. Okay, so on the other hand, I have my oil here. I'm just going to add my ripe plantains and then fry this perfectly. So earlier we finished all the eggs in that stew we prepared, so on this day I had to boil another eggs. We can't eat our food without eggs. I mean, the eggs makes us enjoy the food in another extra way. Okay, yes, so now the eggs are ready. I'll just go ahead and then peel the shells, then we can continue. If you are still with me and you haven't liked this video, please, what are you waiting for? Can you please smash on the like button for me? Now I have my fish here. I have cleaned it very well, and it is in my seasoned water. Okay, I will leave it for about 40 minutes or maybe 30 minutes, or when I'm ready to fry it. But you make sure the salt shouldn't be too much if you are not going to fry it early. Now, whilst we are waiting for the fish, the fried plantains are ready. We remove it from the oil and then let it rest on the paper towel. Then we can proceed. Thank you so much for your time once again, and please do not forget to follow us on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes, and you will love it everywhere. Now we are going to fry the eggs. I want to fry it, so if you want to know how I prepared the stew you saw earlier, please do well to check it in the description box and also on my channel or my Facebook page. Now the beans is ready. It's 100% cooked. Okay, if you want to cook it maybe 70% or 90%, it's okay. Now I have washed my rice perfectly and I've added it to the beans. I washed the rice because I want to remove some of the starch from the rice. Okay, I've added my salt, and also that helps us to get that singled rice. Okay, we don't want it starchy, so that is why I did that. I'll go ahead and add my coconut oil and then give it a stir, and we are going to taste for salt before we cook this. I tasted for the salt and everything was okay. I'll go ahead and then cover it, and then we proceed. Thank you so much. Now the eggs are ready. I'm going to remove it from the oil, and then we can fry the fish. So after 40 minutes, I removed the fish from the seasoned water and then coated it with my all-purpose flour and with some pepper. Okay, powdered pepper. So I mixed the powdered pepper with the flour and then coated the fish with it. Okay, now this is where we've got into. We are frying it, so we will fry this one before we fry the bigger one, and it is the same method we are going to use. Okay, Now our stew is here. This is the leftover stew. I'm just going to add the eggs to it and then let it rest or send it to the dining table before we continue with other things. The next thing we are going to do is our gari photo. Okay, we add gari to our wache. So this is gari or cassava flakes. I've added some water to it. I will mix it very well so I get that fluffy texture or result. And then I'm just going to add some more oil from the stew to it to get that beautiful color. Then we are done. So this is how it looks now. You can see it is fluffy and it looks so delicious. We are going to check on the rice and beans and then give it a stir. Just look at that, so delicious. You can see that the rice is plentier than the beans, and this is how we want it. Trust me, it was so delicious and very, very tasty. Yes, if you are still with me, thank you so much, and please do not forget to share this video to others so that we can reach wider audience. And when you are preparing your food, always remember the fire shouldn't be very high, okay, so that it can get that perfect outcome or result. Now this is how it looks. I'm just going to cover it again, and then after some few minutes, this is how it looks. Just look at that, so fluffy, and it looks very delicious. Now we still have the other fish on fire, and I can't wait to show you how it looks. Okay, it looks so delicious already. So after giving it a stir, I'm just going to cover it again till it is ready, and I'll keep checking on it so that it will not burn. Okay, so this is another 5 minutes later, and our wache is ready. Just look at that. It was very soft, just the way he wants it. Now everything is ready and our fish is also ready. We are going to pair this with some salad, spaghetti, and then I have the gari photo we made. Everything is ready here, and they really enjoyed it. Okay, it was so nice. So the white thing you are seeing there was rice. Okay, rice they ate yesterday also. Thank you so much for watching. I enjoyed your company, and please do not forget to share to others and take good care of yourself. See you in the next one. I love you. Bye bye.